Chisom words are Tinyiko. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for being here. If people are talking about it, then we are breaking it down right here. As I was scrolling down my socials, I bumped into this trending video, a wedding yaka Tinyiko and Chisom. Tinyiko is a Tonga girl and Chisom it's a Igbo. Is it Igbo or Igbo? Igbo guy from Nigeria. Looking at the wedding, it looked beautiful. The Nigerians came and did their thing. They flew from Nigeria to come and pay lobola. We saw some video clips where they were paying lobola. They came into the gate first, and then we saw some girls counting cash. Most of imali I saw it 10 rands. There were lots and lots of 10 rands. So bavele baye bank kahle bafike bathi sicela ama 10 rand. Please give us 10 rand, 10 rands and 20 rands, because the imali was full of 10 rands. After that, we saw a wedding. Umshado bumhle kakhulu. The wedding was beautiful. Pictures were beautiful. The wedding was beautiful. Pictures were beautiful. A lady Tinyiko, she looked beautiful. She looked happy. She looked happy with her husband. Her husband looks like he's a vibe, because Tinyiko uthi makudansa wadanse naye cangwakhe. So as I was scrolling, I went to the comments. The comments were not friendly at all. They were not friendly. Many were saying, this is a taboo. Why would she marry? Why would she marry an Igbo man? Apparently, Igbo are known for their shady ways. Let me use the word allegedly, because I have no proof of them having shady ways, of them doing any shady dealings. So let me use the word allegedly. I mean, we cannot choose people. They should marry who they want to marry. It's the 21st century. We cannot take our fears and put on people's heads. I mean, that will not be fair. People should live their life. We should let people live their lives. I was waiting for the comments that will say, congratulations, you look beautiful, wara, but there were lots of hate comments. But on this channel, we do not hate. So congratulations to the both of them. We wish them nothing but the best. Lifetime of happiness, love, and joy. Lots of children. Let me leave it here for now. See you next time. Until then, Dinitanda. Bye-bye.